Robotics Class is a hands-on program which focuses getting into following a set of procedures, set of plans, and you end up building a couple different chassis. So here you're looking into precision and accuracy and following the design of what you're making, but you also have a lot of freedom and creativity because we have little bonus challenges that we go, okay, hey, we have this. Now you're going to move a pile of rocks from this side of the yard over to here because it's going to get spread out, and that's how it's going to be used. So you build different effectors, forklift, be it a bulldozer, be it a claw or clamp type mechanism, and they learn how to manipulate and function that. Then we get into learning about line finders, so like if you're driving down the interstate and the car's bouncing you back, so we're experiencing that. We also have sonar sensors, so as you're pulling up on a car, you're like, oh, hey, we got to slow down on some of the things. So they're experiencing things that go along with those aspects as well. And then with that, we're also getting into programming in C++. And so they're learning a new language.
The best way to explain it, I would say, is like Legos, but more complex. It gets you to be really creative overall. One assignment that we had where we had to mess around with gear ratios to try and lift up more than, I think, 700 grams with servo motors. That was really fun because everybody had their own unique gear ratios. It was really fun. We spent about a week on it and really got me to think about everything.
My favorite projects would be like when we first started programming, because I really like coding and everything, and I like programming. It's a lot of hands-on learning.
If they like the technical side of things, then it might be in kind of assembly, design, repair. Amazon's out here right now. Gage Brothers, I'm sure, has a lot of robotic things that are taking place. You look at sawmills, auto industry with robotics as well. Just the computer science that goes along with this, being able to understand and troubleshoot what's going from here to here, this ain't behaving, we got to be looking at those types of things. So yeah, the auto industry would be another great one that would exist. A lot of it is discovery and just, the experience. And that's what makes CTE really kind of stand out, is the aspect that the kids have hands-on experiences to be able to design, discover, reinvent, and come up with a newer and better solution.
You get to see all these different types of careers, and you can major in any one that you like.
It's a lot of work, but it's very rewarding.